What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll talk about the amazing health benefits of grapes. But before, for anyone new here on my channel, I share methods, tips and ideas for skincare, hair, and health. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to support us. Grapes have been used for centuries, and are still popular due to their sweet and pleasant flavor. Grapes are high in minerals and antioxidants and health-promoting characteristics. However, they should be consumed in moderation to avoid consuming too many calories. Let's talk about grapes' numerous health benefits. Grapes are high in vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Vitamin K, vitamin C, copper, potassium, thiamine, and other nutrients are abundant in them. They're also high in antioxidants and have a small amount of dietary fiber. But remember to keep your blood sugar levels low. Try to eat them in moderation. Grapes of all sorts are high in nutrients as well as powerful antioxidants. Grapes are high in antioxidants such as polyphenols, anthocyanins, resveratrol, vitamin C, and hundreds of other plant components that many people aren't aware of. Grapes can help boost general bone health, since they include a variety of bone-healthy nutrients such as magnesium, vitamin K, potassium, phosphorus, and others. Grapes have been found to improve bone mineral density. They can also aid in the improvement of overall heart health, and the reduction of heart disease risk factors, due to their antioxidants and specifically the potassium found in grapes. Studies have shown that grapes can help control and lower blood pressure levels. They may also be able to help improve cholesterol levels. Grapes have been shown to lower overall cholesterol as well as harmful LDL cholesterol in studies. Finally, regular moderate eating of grapes can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, particularly chronic inflammation. This is because the resveratrol present in grapes has potent anti-inflammatory qualities, and the high levels of antioxidants and nutrients are also beneficial. If you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in some of the next videos.